In this video, we're going to walk through the HSE packet submission from the student perspective. Just a quick overview. Students do need to meet minimum qualifications to enroll through HSE. Your packet must be submitted every semester prior to the start of classes. Our packet is no longer a paper version that you take around for wet signatures and submit through email or a link. We now use an Adobe Sign web form. So all signatures and submission is completed through email. That's what this video is going to walk you through. Prior to sitting down to complete your HSE packet, it's strongly recommended that you talk to your high school counselor to get their email address and the email address for your high school principal or designee in order to complete the packet. So you're going to go to our website, fresnocitycollege.edu/HSE, to find the link to this Adobe web form. Just as a quick reminder, don't forget under step 4 to submit your one-time parent permission form. We won't be able to process your packet without having received that form from you. Step 5 will walk you through all the information and documents you should gather before sitting down to complete the packet. Under step 6 is where you will find the link to this web form to open it up and complete it. Once you click on the link from our website, you will click continue when the PDF pops up. We recommend that you read through pages 1 and 2 of your packet to understand the implications of college enrollment while in high school, and then you will fill out all the fields on the packet itself. We do want to point out some specific tips for a few specific fields on the packet that can be a little bit confusing. So the high school grad year is going to be the year you're graduating high school. If you're graduating, for example, in spring 2025, 2025 is your high school grad year. Your grade level when the class starts. So this is going to be for more specific for summer classes. If you've just finished one grade level and you're rising into another, it's the rising grade level that you're going to enter. So you've just completed your freshman year, you're getting ready to start your sophomore year, and it's now the summer in between those 2 years, you're going to enter sophomore. For the school year, this is the year the class that you want to be enrolled in starts. So is it starting in fall of 2024? Then 2024 is what you're going to enter. If it's starting in spring of 2025, then 2025 is what you're going to enter. For the course information, the course number is the 5-digit number that is tied to a specific section of a particular course. So there can be many sections of any given course, especially when we're talking about English and math. So that 5-digit number is a specific section with a specific instructor, potentially days of the week, times of the day, that sort of thing. So if you want a specific section, whether it's because of the instructor, the time the class is meeting, whatever it might be, then you need to list those specific sections, and those specific sections are all we will consider you for. If they are full when we sit down to enroll you, then we will not enroll you into that course. If you are okay with being enrolled into any open online section of your particular course, then instead of putting a section number, put any online. That way we know that you are okay with any open section of an online section of that course. If we see a number, we're only going to consider you for that one specific section. For the course title, this is an abbreviated title, not the written out, lengthier title of the course. And there's an example on the packet of English 1A. It's abbreviated ENGL-1A. Please use the abbreviation. And also please put the courses in the order of your preference if you're requesting more than 11 units. So let's say you're putting down 15 units worth of courses so that there's a few backups in case your first choice or second choice is full. Then we have some other classes to choose from. That's totally fine. But we do need to know your preferred order of being enrolled so that we try enrolling you in your first choice class before your last choice class. Also, on our website, we have a pre-approved GE class list by grade level. It's under the frequently asked questions section. We strongly recommend that you use that when choosing classes. There are classes for every GE section for every grade level. So no matter what grade level you are in high school, you will find GE classes that you can be completing every single semester towards the completion of your general education requirements that are required for a college degree. So the grade level is there to help you understand which classes you are most likely adequately prepared to pass in college. You'll use the self-service class search to find the section and class information once that goes live each semester. Once you've entered in your personal information and the course information, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here's where you will attach any optional documents that are applicable to you. So this is unique to each individual student. If you're homeschooled, you're going to need to attach your California Department of Education homeschool affidavit. If you're requesting classes that have prerequisites that are going to be met by any coursework you completed in high school or your high school GPA, you must attach your high school transcript. If you know that you don't meet minimum HSE enrollment requirements, either you're trying to enroll before you start high school, or you've perhaps failed a class with State Center in the past, any of the minimum requirements that you don't meet will get you an automatic denial. So to appeal that denial, we need the 2 letters of recommendation, which is outlined on the packet and is outlined on our website. I recommend that you attach those letters of recommendation when you submit your packet. It will speed along the process and prevent possible delays in your potential enrollment. Once you've attached any documents you feel are appropriate, then you're going to type in your name and the date and click the blue button that says click and sign. Once you do that, a pop-up is going to appear asking you to assign the next participants. These are the emails for the people you want to sign your packet at your high school. So it's going to be your high school counselor and your high school principal or the principal's designee. This is the information that you need to get directly from your high school. Who do they want to have sign these documents for students? They will give you the email addresses and the names of the appropriate people, and that's what you're going to enter in here. Participant 2 is the high school counselor signature spot on the packet. So that's whose information you're going to enter in here. Put their first name, last name, and their email address. Double check the email address is correct, because if it's incorrect, if there's a typo in it, it's not going to get delivered and it's not going to go anywhere. So double check all your typing, make sure it's absolutely correct. There's a spot that you can click if you want to add a message to send along with this to the high school counselor. The next one is going to be participant 3, which is your high school principal or anyone they've designated to sign this document on their behalf. Again, get that information directly from your high school so that it will prevent undue delays in processing your packet. Whoever you enter in here, whoever's information they give, just double check that you've written it down correctly and that you've typed it in correctly, and you can add any additional messages that you want as well. Then you will click to sign. After you do that, you will get a pop-up telling you there's one more step. You need to go to your email inbox and you will find an email from Adobe Sign asking you to confirm your signature on the HSE packet. In the body of the email, you will click the blue link that says confirm my signature, and this is how you will e-sign the document for yourself. And now you're finished. The packet's now on its way to your high school for their signatures. Once they've signed it, it will automatically come to the Office of Early College for processing. If we have any issues with your packet, any missing documents, any questions, concerns, anything we need to talk about with you about your enrollment, we're going to send you an email to your State Center student email. So please be checking that regularly, at least once a day, for any important communication from our office. Once we have processed your packet and registration is open and we've attempted to enroll or waitlist you into classes, You will get a final copy with all signatures and your enrollment information, and this will come to you via email. Everyone who signed the packet will also get a copy of this. We are here to help you, so if you have any questions along the way, check out our website first. We answer a lot of questions on our website for students. How to pick classes, how to fill out these documents, the enrollment process, all the steps, everything's outlined for you. So check that out first. If you have more questions, concerns, or you need help with anything, feel free to email us or give our office a call.